Throughout this video, I will show you multiple examples of end screens. Check the end of my video. I have links for you to get free end screens. What is YouTube end screens? End screens are interactive elements that can be added to the end of your video. They can feature links to other videos, playlists, channels, or external websites, if you're in the YouTube Partner Program. They can also include a subscribe button to encourage viewers to follow your channel. How to add end screens to your YouTube videos. Go to YouTube Studio, sign into your YouTube account and navigate to YouTube Studio. Select a video, choose the video you want to add an end screen to. Go to the editor, click the Editor tab in the left-hand menu. Add end screen, click on Add an end screen. You can then choose a template or add elements individually. Customize your end screen, add elements such as video links, playlist links, a subscribe button, or external links. Adjust their size and position as needed. Set duration, set the timing for when each element should appear during the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. Save, click Save to apply the changes to your video. Pros of using YouTube end screens. Increased viewer retention. End screens keep viewers engaged with your content by directing them to other videos or playlists. They help to build a viewing session on your channel, increasing overall watch time. Encourages subscriptions. Including a subscribe button on your end screen makes it easy for viewers to subscribe to your channel. Promotes channel growth and audience retention. Cross-promotion. End screens are an excellent way to promote other videos, series, or channels. They can drive traffic to related content, boosting views and engagement across your channel. Flexibility and customization. You can choose from various templates or customize your own end screen elements to match your branding. End screens can be tailored to fit the goals of each video, whether it's increasing watch time, promoting a product, or gaining subscribers. Analytics. YouTube provides analytics on end screen performance, allowing you to see which elements are most effective and optimize accordingly. Cons of using YouTube end screens. Potential viewer drop-off. If end screens appear too early, viewers may leave the video before it finishes. Poorly designed end screens can disrupt the viewing experience, causing viewers to lose interest. Limited display time. End screens can only appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video, which may not be enough time to convey all the information you want to share. Design constraints. Overloading the end screen with too many elements can overwhelm viewers and reduce the effectiveness of each component. Ensuring end screen elements are visible and engaging within a short time frame can be challenging. Requires consistent updates. As you create new content, you need to regularly update your end screens to promote your latest videos and keep the content fresh and relevant. Best practices for using YouTube end screens. Be strategic with timing. Ensure the end screen appears at a natural stopping point in your video to avoid disrupting the viewer experience. Keep it simple. Limit the number of elements on your end screen to avoid overwhelming viewers. Focus on the most important calls to action. Clear call to action. Use clear, concise, and compelling text on your end screen to guide viewers toward the desired action. Match your branding. Design end screens that align with your channel's branding to create a cohesive and professional look. Analyze and optimize. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor the performance of your end screens and make adjustments based on what works best for your audience. End screens are a powerful tool to enhance viewer engagement, promote your content, and encourage subscriptions. By understanding the pros and cons and following best practices, you can effectively leverage end screens to achieve your channel's goals and improve the overall viewing experience for your audience. Hopefully, you have enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe, comment, and check my links below. Here are some great links, I promised. that will get you some amazing end screen.